How to fix Discord not detecting your microphone in Windows 11. So if you're unable to connect your microphone to Discord, I'm going to show you how to solve this issue. Now the first thing you need to do is come over to your computer home screen and go and load up the Start menu. You can then click on Settings, and in the left hand side select Privacy and Security. Now scroll down this page and click on Microphone. Make sure microphone access is turned on like this. Make sure Let Apps Access Your Microphone is also turned on, and then scroll down and make sure Let Desktop Apps Access Your Microphone is also switched on. Now if you see Discord in this list, also make sure Discord is turned on and enabled. You can then close out of this window, go and right click on your volume icon and click on Sound Settings. Now scroll down to Input and make sure you have your external microphone selected. You can then scroll down again and click on More Sound Settings. Now click on the Recording tab and make sure your external microphone is turned on and enabled. You also want to make sure this is set to the default device just by clicking on it, and then you can press this Set Default button. Now go and right click on your microphone and click on Properties. Click on Advanced and make sure Allow Applications to Take Exclusive Control is turned on, and then press Apply and OK. Once you've done this, go and load up the Discord app, click on User Settings in the bottom left hand side. Scroll down this page and click on Voice and Video. Now next to Microphone, click on the drop down arrow and change this from Windows Default to your specific microphone that you want to use. Once you've followed all of these steps, you should now be able to use your microphone in Discord.